JD Tools here. Today we're going to be going over the Dewalt 10-inch compound miter saw. Now this bad puppy runs at 5,000 RPM and rated at 15 amp. You can cut anywhere from dimensional lumber, moldings, baseboards, cabinet work, hardwood flooring, and window and door casings. You can also cut more with it as well. Some of the features that it includes is a stainless steel miter detent plate, precise miter system, a machine fence support, tall sliding fence supports 4.5 inch vertically, bevels 0 to 48 degrees to the left, 0 to 3 degrees to the right. It comes with a dust bag, wrench, vertical clamp, and a 10-inch blade. I'm going to go over some of the features that this saw includes more into detail. Here's a fence that it was talking about, 4.5 inch. You can see it's very tall. There is a knob back here, a little wing bolt, nice and easily adjustable. Turn it back in. Here's your wrench here, nice little holder that's metal, clips right in, comes out. I do have to find out when you do take the blade out that bolt, if you take it out right now just the way it is, it'll hit that guard and you won't be able to take the blade out. It's a safety feature that Dewalt has. You got to take this guard off and able to get to that bolt, and once you do, that bolt will come all the way out, and so that the blade just doesn't come spinning off. You have an adjustable knob here. It's nice and easy. You just unscrew it out. There is a lever at the bottom, and it does move nice and easy. It's pretty solid. It is a little tough to move, but it's not too terribly bad. It's a solid feel. There's not much clearance in there. You could feel that there's a real tight tolerance when you do move it. So that is a good thing. The pointer I do find nice and easy to read. Very happy with it. Also, when I pulled this up earlier, I took the guard off. And that goes right there up underneath. What I found out is that catches little small pieces. If you're trimming lumber, it catches small pieces and it'll get caught up right up in here. And when you put boards on, it does tend to catch everything, and sometimes they'll stick up and they'll get in the way. There's a better look at the stainless steel detent plate. Very nice. Here's your Beveling system right here. You have a nice big knob back here, nice and easy to unscrew and screw in. I find it easy access. Those are your different degrees there. It's a nice solid piece of metal there. This lever right here, here's your locking mechanism. You pull that, you can pop it in. Go ahead and move it down like so. And that locks the saw in place to where you can grab it right here and carry it around. When they're ready, pop it out, it's ready to go. Dust collector works really well. Really happy with it. A lot of dust collectors on a lot of miter saws, they don't really catch a lot of dust, but this definitely does. Very impressive dust collector. You're still going to get extra dust laying around. If you want to, you can always hook up a vacuum right here, a shop vac, and tape it on there or kind of wedge it up on there and turn it on whenever you make cuts. That does work as well. Trigger handle. There's a little safety mechanism right here. It has to go that way in order for it to go up. It will not activate with that down. I do find this a little tough to get used to, but overall it's not bad. Very, very impressed with it. Here's the model number. If you want to order this on Amazon, I'll put a link in the description box below. It's the DWS 713. Like, subscribe if you like my channel. I do like to try to give my honest opinion on a lot of the tools that I have and go over them into detail. I would highly suggest this Dewalt 10-inch compound miter saw. Very solid saw. Very happy with it. Can't say enough good things about it. If you want to order it, click on the description box and the link below and order it on Amazon. One other thing here, I will go over the little holder here that it talks about. It goes in this side right here. And then there's another holder here on this side as well, where you can clamp your lumber down. And I do find that very handy. Some guys, they like their motor off at the side on some of the miter saws or whatever, but I find that pretty handy if you got a dual compound. But for a single compound, this is an excellent saw. I'm extremely happy with this saw. It's just very solid built. Another great tool by Dewalt. Extremely happy with it. Thank you for watching.